Hello guys, today I want to show you how to play congratulation. We go with B flat, right? It's just three note, B flat, F major, C sharp. But you can also add the 7 to make it, right? Let me bring my pedal so you can hear the melody properly. Good. So it goes like this. Congratulations on the glory of God. I hope you can see my fingers. Let me just wait. You go with F. Let me just. Congratulations, you sing of the glory of God. C major, minor, B flat, F major, C sharp, C flat, C minor. Congratulations. Congratulations. Sorry, that. Congratulations. Okay, so to make it more rich, you can use both hands playing the same note actually, right? Let me use the actual fingering since I've shown you clearly how it is. It goes congratulations. You can add the 7th if you want to. Congratulations. He has done it for you. Alright? Congratulations in the glory of God. He has come back in. So, if you're alone, you just want to play or probably to accompany yourself, you can go with F, right? So this is, I'm going to use the company and what I shown you, B flat, F and C minor, right? So I'm going to go with B flat, again, B flat, just go with F. That's it. As simple as that, right? I hope you like this. Enjoy. Practice. It's simple. It's just three notes. B flat, F major, C sharp. That's just it. You don't need to even play with accompany. You can call a friend and say, let me sing this song. You know this song? Yeah, play, sing. Let me play. Go. You just go. That's all. Everything they'll just be doing. you see? You can be following it. Right? Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel so for more content, right? Okay, enjoy.